Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 7. If it takes an object 3 seconds to fall freely to the ground from a certain height, what is the distance covered by the object? A. 45 meters, B. 60 meters, C. 90 meters, D. 30 meters. And we're giving our value of G, acceleration due to gravity, is equal to 10 meters per second square. Now I asked to calculate the distance of free fall. This can also be referred to as the distance of free fall. Okay, and the formula for the distance of free fall S is equal to half gt square, where g of course is our acceleration due to gravity, and then t is the time taken for the object to complete its free fall. So S is equal to 1/2 times 10 multiplied by 3 square, and that is equal to 5 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 45 meters. 45 meters is option A, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.